Hi, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to share with you a recipe for the air fryer that I've done on and off for years. It's kind of one that I get into the mood for and then forget about and then remind myself how delicious it is and start cooking it all the time again. And I'm talking about air fry pizza toast. The idea being it's like doing cheese on toast, or grilled cheese as you might call it, but instead of spreading it with butter, you spread it with your favourite pizza sauce, and then you can assemble it like a pizza if you want, or just add some cheese and tomato and oregano, or something else that's simple and straightforward. And then for your pizza sauce, you could use a homemade one, or another option that we like is to use some barbecue sauce as well. Barbecue sauce mixed with some oregano is lovely too. It depends what kind of pizza sauce you prefer, but it's a really, really easy comfort food recipe for the air fryer. So let's get started, shall we? So, I'm using some cheap American cheese slices. I don't use them very often. I very rarely buy them, but it's nice every once in a while to have them. But the benefit of them is that they stick to the bread much better, so you don't have the problem of the cheese flying around like you often do when you not use normal cheese slices. So I've got some cheese, I've got some tomatoes, and I've just quickly mixed some pizza cum pasta sauce that I use for all sorts. And then what you want to do is you want to get spreading. You can use a spoon to put a big dollop on it for you. I said this is perfect. But if you want something cheap that you can cook the kids for dinner, and this is brilliant, but us adults like it as well. So then grab yourself a cheese slice. And is it me, or does it look, as you're viewing this, like I'm spreading jam on bread? Because I think it looks like jam and bread. Trust me, it is a pizza sauce. And then another slice, and then overlap it so that it's like that. And then that one's done and ready. So now we're going to do the same again. So your other slice of bread, and then what you can do is you can scoop out some of your pizza sauce like this. And then give it a good spreading all over. If you want to make your own, then a very simple one, especially if you like the barbecue sauce, is a bit of barbecue sauce, a bit of tomato puree or paste, oregano, garlic puree, and some salt and pepper. That is a really, really simple one if you want to do your own. So now, time for the cheese. Oh, missed. So then remember, we're doing the overlap. So I'm putting one there. Oh, I think the gardener's outside. We're out in the countryside. It's staying in an Airbnb. So I think he's sorting everything out outside. I've got my windows open as well because it's so hot. You can do it with or without tomatoes, depends what you prefer. And then of course, a bit of oregano. And then you can finish off with some salt and pepper. And then they're ready to go in the air fryer. Oops, I just realised I missed one there. So this is why I like doing it on the chopping board, because you can easily move it in and out. And then grab it by the sides like you would expect to do. And then carefully position it into your air fryer. Then in it pops. And there you go, that is your pizza toast ready to go on. And like I say, it's just something simple and fun to do in your air fryer. And this will entertain the kids over the summer. So 190 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And then for a cooking time, We're going for 8 minutes on air fry. We're going to match, so it will do them both at the same time, so you don't have to set it twice. And then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fry beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped, so shall we check on them and see what they look like? And wow, look at that, proper pizza toast in the air fryer. And these are absolutely amazing and so easy and simple. You just butter in some bread, but instead of using butter, you're swapping it for pizza sauce and then topping it with whichever toppings you want. You can use up leftovers. It's great for with the kids, and it's just one of those brilliant recipes that is just so simple in the air fryer. So, spatula, easiest way to get them out of the air fryer. So as you can see, that's what they look like in the air fryer. I mean, who doesn't want one of those? They look fantastic. And then same again. So then put your air fryer away now. Pull it out. Oh, and I can feel the crisp on the toast as well. It's just fantastic. And then of course, if you would rather, you could also use the same idea to do some Welsh rarebit in the air fryer as well. So let's chop into this one. Wow, oh, look at those. And I love how well that cheap cheese does in the air fryer. It's just absolutely fantastic. You don't have to worry, because with a lot of cheeses in the air fryer, they really do fly off. And you just get really cross with your air fryer thinking, right, I'm going to pin it really hard down this time. It's not going to slip off. But with the cheap American processed cheese that you would associate with a quarter pounder, it's absolutely perfect. So there you have it. That's air fryer pizza toast. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.